Hello everyone. Today I will present a very important marketing trend, which is privacy and data protection. The privacy and data protection trend is crucial for organizations in how they do business, market their products, and interact with customers. Businesses must promote ethical data use and ensure transparency to comply with regulations such as GDPR and CCPA, and of course to avoid any fines or penalties and damage to their brand reputation and recognition. However, first party data collection is a method that can be used to comply with these regulations and to voluntarily collect data from customers. The brand I have chosen is Ryanair. Ryanair aims to obtain first-party data by collecting voluntary information from customers, such as contact details, booking information, and preferences. The purpose of this concept is to demonstrate how Ryanair collects voluntary first-party data through customer engagement without relying on third-party data using Instagram posts and posts which support user interaction and allow customers to choose what information to share. The communication objective here is increase first-party data collection by 15% for Ryanair's top Christmas 2025 destinations targeting cost-conscious travelers aged 18 to 34 through Instagram posts and posts. This initiative aims to gather user preferences via ethical opt-in interactions, ensuring compliance with privacy regulations such as GDPR. It is achievable given Ryanair's varied Instagram strategy and the platform's high engagement rates during the Christmas holiday season when polls can encourage voluntary sharing without invasive tracking. This objective is relevant as it addresses consumer psychology regarding data trust, turning privacy concerns into opportunities and personalized marketing. It is time-bound to Q4 2025 to capitalize on seasonal demand, directly supporting my content by funneling poll data into targeted campaigns. Now, this is the first content I created, which is an Instagram story that contains a poll about Christmas destinations. The first content I created, it's an Instagram carousel post with the final slide featuring a call to action offering 30% discount and directing users to the link in the bio to sign up. This is the sign up landing page. And now let's talk about the overview of the content piece. The story features a festive Christmas background and an interactive poll sticker asking users to choose their preferred city, like London, Vienna, Prague, or Warsaw. Poll votes provide immediate first-party insights into preferences, allowing potential travelers to choose what they want. The Instagram story also takes advantage of the story's fleeting 24-hour visibility to encourage quick voluntary engagement. The key strategic choice was incorporating Instagram's poll sticker with specific appealing Christmas top city options to drive immediate user interaction, turning passive viewing into active data sharing. This leverages the ephemeral nature of stories to create urgency with results visible to build a sense of community. This relates to the first underlying theory, which is social proof theory in consumer psychology, where visible poll results, such as Instagram percentages, create a bandwagon effect, encouraging participation as users observe their peers' choices. In addition, this relates to the second underlying theory, the reciprocity principle in consumer psychology, where users feel obligated to return a favor. In this case, the brand offers enjoyable, engaging poll participation and immediate results, such as seeing how others voted, prompting users to share their preferences in return. The relevance to the brand. For Ryanair, knowing for its sassy viral social content, that has over 1.8 million Instagram followers in 2025, the poll reinforces its fun, budget-focused identity by highlighting affordable, popular Christmas getaways, aligning with its low-cost model and meme-style engagement. How it is linked to the objective. This supports the 15% uplift in first-party data by generating poll insights such as preferences and directing users to swipe up forms, with stories posts achieving 15% opt-in rates for similar campaigns in Q4. The relevance to target the audience is that it appeals to tech-savvy, cost-conscious aged 18 to 34 who use Instagram stories for quick decisions and value interactive posts for Christmas holiday planning amid busy lifestyles and economic constraints. The relevance to the contextual and environmental factors is that in the regulated digital environment of 2025, with GDPR and increasing privacy awareness, the post-voluntary, non-intrusive format addresses data threats while taking advantage of seasonal Christmas hype when stories experience 30% higher engagement. And now let's see the overview of the content piece number 2. The post uses a 6-slide swipeable format. The slide 1 introduces the offer discount and Christmas slides 2, and the slides 2 to 5 feature individual festive images of Vienna, Krakow, London, and Budapest. And finally, the slide 6 prompts sign up now and get a 30% discount on your next Christmas flight, linking to a landing page form that collects name, surname, email, and preferred destination for promo code delivery via email. This approach encourages voluntary opt-ins while building trust in a post-cookie era, targeting Ryanair's 1.8 million Instagram followers. Now let's speak about the strategic choice. The key strategic choice was to use Instagram's carousel format with high-quality festive city image to create a sequential narrative guiding users from curiosity to action. This leveraged visual appeal to increase dwell time. Carousels achieve 2 to 3 times higher engagement than single posts and direct users to the opt-in slide. The first underlying theory is the engagement loop framework from digital marketing, in which content creates a cycle of attention, interaction, and reward. Sweeping through slides attracts users with visuals, leading to the rewarding discount offer and encouraging form completion. The second underlying theory is the permission marketing theory that it has established by Godin in 1999, where brands gain consumer consent through anticipated personal and relevant interactions rather than interruptions. The carousel beats anticipation slide by slide, earning permission by providing value destination inspiration before requesting data on slide 6. The relevance to the brand is that for Ryanair, a low-cost airline known for bold, humorous social media, the carousel reinforces its cheeky, value-driven image by showcasing affordable Christmas escapes aligned with no-frills ethos and viral content strategy. How it is linked to the objective. This supports the 15% uplift in first-party data by driving swipe-through engagement, collecting preferences and emails for personalized 2025 Christmas deals. The relevance to target audience is that it appeals to budget-conscious travelers aged 18 to 34 who make up the majority of Ryanair's passengers, 18% under 35 years old, seeking quick, visual holiday inspiration. These tech-savvy users value interactive formats such as carousels for planning trips amid economic pressures. The relevance to the contextual environmental factors is that in the regulated digital environment with GDPR and growing privacy awareness, the voluntary non-intrusive carousel format addresses data threats while capitalizing on seasonal Christmas hype. Thank you so much for your attention. Bye bye.